Suspension, man.
So tell us what happened, Garrett. I have no idea.
Why is
So I took my car to Rev, and I was gonna get my bushings done for my control arms, but it turns out I got the wrong ones. They're for the rears, but in the process of doing so, they spotted.
Yo, wait. Okay, make sure your thumb's not on the mic.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah. Well, it's not.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Yeah, I know. Just like sometimes. Yeah, no. Continue. Action.
Yeah. So in the process of them doing that, they noticed a large tear in my rear tire along the sidewall.
So
literally like this long. You can fit your fingers in it.
Yeah, let's go show them.
Yeah. You can see obvious signs. I don't even know how long I've been driving on that either. That's the worst part.
These dope CR guys. Yeah, dude, these were the gold wheels.
Are they cracking?
Garrett says he's a tire tech now.
No, I just know how to remove shoulder valves.
Check out that dope background.
Hey, I'm taking it real slow. I take it to the... I don't even know.
It still worked, man. Still worked. Famous rapper, check out Devin's mixtape.
Yeah, dude. Dropping tomorrow.
Jesse and Devin are working on front splitter for our good buddy AJ.
He wants it to be like, he's got like a wide body coming in, like Clint's wide body over fender.
Yeah, this thing's about to like.
So it's gonna be crazy.
Yep, bags, wide body.
He wants the splitter to be like, you know, it's gonna suit the style of a wide body, obviously. So,
yeah.
And then he's gonna have splitter rods as well. So we have 2 of these.
Ooh, hell yeah.
So this is the length that it's gonna be. And, yeah.
And also our good buddy, fuck, what's his name? Jonah, Stance X East. He's got a Rocket Bunny Eclipse. You don't really see him done up that much. Never, honestly. Yeah, he's the only one. He should be here any minute. And something that just came in, which we're super stoked for, is bags. So like, don't know why we didn't get these earlier, but you know, we got bags now. So if people buy things locally or at Driven or any kind of shows or anything, you can put them in here now. Nice and purple, suits the universe theme that we're doing. So hell yeah, super stoked on that. Thank you guys for all your orders. We appreciate the support. We're working daily to bust out as many orders that we can and get them shipped out ASAP so you guys get it right away. And just next door here, Ray got some new wheels on the Beamer. Damn.
Dude, this is in the perfect position.
What is it?
Armrest. Look at that.
Ooh, nice.
Look at that. It's just like one armrest. You don't need a whole like center console. You just need this one little armrest.
Good old crayon smell. So Ray, let them know about the wheels.
I got a sweet deal from a good friend.
Yep.
His car got written off, and unfortunately it was only 4 days after he bought brand new tires.
Yeah, so these are like brand new tires with like nice staggered. Like what was the front and rear size?
18.5
8.5?
and 18.7.
7, okay.
With a 265?
I believe so.
Wow, that's a good tire size.
Yeah, man. It's looking good, Ray. And John's here. Yo, what's up, man? How was the old vacation? Boating every day. Look nice. Yeah.
BMW day today.
Dude, yeah.
Got a Beamer in our shop.
Yeah, BMW's everywhere today. Looks good, dude.
Thanks, man.
Damn.
Yo,
Shit.
did they see my new interior trim?
No, new interior trim. Let's see this. Hey, dude, that's fresh. Damn.
Oh, that's silver?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Where'd you get that?
This guy at my work just gave it to me for free.
And that wheel, damn. Yeah, so it was like wood grain before, right?
Yeah, so I had the wood grain. It's from a 330.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little extension. Nothing big.
Yeah.
Jonah just pulled up. Hey, there he is. Yeah. Look at this thing. Yo, what's up, man? What is good? What's up?
Dude, how's it going?
Good, good. Solid.
See what's up?
Nice, dude.
What's up, bro?
We've never actually met that.
When I came to thank you for picking up the splitter shit,
Right.
you hooked me up with
Right.
it. Yeah.
Fuck yeah, man. I love the car.
Yeah, man. So unique.
Thanks. built to be 14 and a half.
Really? What are they now?
11 and a half with negative 16 offset.
Damn. Colton, let's see the best lap out there.
20K?
Let's see this. He's got to beat 20K.
Coming from a front wheel drive guy?
No pressure, man. Okay.
Oh, too much.
Oh, almost.
Yo, what's up, guys? Visit thelocalsmovement.com and get some dope locals gear. Hey.
What'd you say about those minis? The blonde ones?
Something about meat?
Yeah, what about the meat?